Welcome to my channel. Today we will visit Statue of Unity, a memorial dedicated to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. Nestled in the heart of Gujarat, the Statue of Unity stands tall at Kevadia, near the Sardar Sarovar Dam on the banks of the mighty Narmada River. Kevadia, a serene town in Narmada district, is home to this engineering marvel just 90 kilometers from Vadodara and will connect it to major cities like Ahmedabad and Surat. Visitors can reach Kevadia by road, rail or air. The nearest airport is Vadodara, while Kevadia railway station offers direct trains from Ahmedabad, Mumbai and other cities. Once in Kevadia, eco-friendly shuttle buses, cycling paths and walkways guide visitors to the statue complex, ensuring a comfortable and sustainable experience. Standing 182 meters tall, the Statue of Unity is the world's tallest statue, a symbol of India's strength, unity and vision. Dedicated to the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, this monument honors his pivotal role in uniting 562 princely states into one nation. Beyond the statue lies a world of experiences, vibrant gardens, serene river cruises, and the Sardar Sarovar Dam, where nature and heritage meet. Built in just 46 months, the statue is an engineering masterpiece designed to withstand earthquakes, powerful winds, and the test of time. The Statue of Unity is more than stone and steel. It is a living tribute to unity, resilience, and the enduring spirit of India. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe for more mindful videos. You can also follow me on Insta at mindfulmiles.Vin. If you have any suggestions, you can comment. Constructive criticism is appreciated.